Every language has sounds that have meanings. Of course, Korean have sounds that have meanings too. Some are good, some are bad. But we are going to give you all of them. Ha ha ha. This one everybody knows. aigu. For example, if somebody falls, aigu, 괜찮아? So this is to show that you're a little surprised. And if you're very surprised, usually adults say, aigu, aigu, aigu. But usually I don't talk like that. It's maybe someone like my grandmother, but also my grandmother uses for positive things too. So if I tell my grandmother I passed my exam, she'll say, aigu, 잘했네, 잘했어. So it's not always used for negative surprises. It's also used for positive surprises. Our next one is used for when you don't believe somebody. The other day, Keith told me that he's good at math.
Songa, don't make fun of me. My IQ is 150.
And I said, hey. And that means I don't believe you. Well, the next one, my mom uses with me every time.
It's okay. My mom too. I used to think my mom hated me. Please tell me I'm wrong.
Of course you're wrong. Your mom loves you. This sound is just for when you're frustrated. This one happened last week. My family was getting ready to go out for dinner, and I was doing my makeup. And my mom was frustrated. She said, "아유, 빨리 좀 해." So, if you're frustrated with someone, you go like, "아유." So, the next one is used when something is unfair and you are upset. Well, this happens in my house all the time. When I go home, my mom goes like, 왜 이렇게 늦어? 빨리 좀 다녀. And when my brother comes home, my mom goes like, 아이고, 우리 아들 이제 들어왔어. 공부하느라 수고가 많지. And I go like, So the sound for being upset or unfair is This one is usually used for teenagers. When something is unbelievable or unfair, a lot of teenagers say 헐. For example, when the teacher gives so much homework and the kids are saying,
Oh, that's so unfair!
Korean kids can say 헐. On this one, me and Keith disagreed. Usually when we drink alcohol and it's really refreshing, make a sound.
But I think it's
Either way, it's used to say something is refreshing. Our last one is when something is unbelievable. If there's a crazy situation that you couldn't imagine, you can use yeah. Usually, Korean people add something after. Like, 야, 말도 안 돼. 야, 세상에 어떻게 그런 일이 있냐. 야, 어떻게 그럴 수 있어? Which sound is your favorite? Leave us a comment. And don't forget to stop by at Seoulistic.com. Bye bye. 안녕. And if you're very surprised, you go like, aigu, Well, in Korea, you will be older.
word.
That's because in Korea, everyone is at least 1 year older than they actually are. Sometimes 2 years older. All this kind of stuff. And this one is aigu, coffee milk. It's kind of interesting because it comes in a plastic bag. So you have to cut it with a scissor and put a straw in it. This one is my favorite. Tastes so good. You should try this.